Can you imagine that someone come home from work flying through the air? Not in a plane, but like it's the most normal thing in the world? Forget science fiction. Now we are living in the future. We're no longer waiting for flying cars. We're witnessing a revolution in personal flight. These aren't concepts. They are real working machines being built and sold today, right here in the US and around the world. In this video, we're counting down the 8 most impressive personal and commercial air transportation vehicles that exist today, from jet-powered suits that turn you into a real-life superhero to flying machines you can literally store in your garage. Get ready, because what you're about to see will absolutely leave you speechless. Number 8. The real Iron Man. Coming in at number 8. The real Iron Man. Imagine waking up, putting on a suit, and flying out of your house. Thanks to this incredible device from the British company Gravity Industries, founded by Richard Browning, that dream is a tangible reality. This is the world's first functional, patented flying suit. It operates using 5 small jet engines, 2 on each arm and 1 on the back, with a combined thrust of over 1,000 horsepower, more than many sports cars. This suit can achieve speeds of up to 85 kilometers per hour and climb to heights of over 3,600 meters. The impressive part? Control is entirely intuitive. The pilot steers simply by moving their arms. While the price is steep, costing around $440,000, it's already being explored for practical uses like emergency rescue operations in mountainous terrain and industrial inspections. It's the first true step toward personal flight democratization. 7. The hoverboard legend. Number 7 is the hoverboard legend from French inventor Frankie Zapata. Have you ever seen him fly over the ocean? He successfully crossed the English Channel in 2019, a flight of approximately 35 kilometers. This revolutionary device is a jet-powered hoverboard. It uses turbojet technology, which generates up to 140 kilograms of thrust. It can reach speeds exceeding 200 kilometers per hour and fly up to 150 meters, nearly 500 feet high. Its main limitation is flight time, with an autonomy of about 10 minutes of continuous flight. However, its gyroscopic stabilization system makes it surprisingly manageable. This device proved the possibility of single-person, jet-propelled transportation over long distances. 6. The personal helicopter backpack. At number 6, we have the personal helicopter backpack, an Australian innovation that literally puts a helicopter on your back. Developed by Copter Pack PI, this device uses 2 large coaxial rotors mounted on a lightweight structure. Weighing only 42 kilograms itself, it can carry a payload including the pilot of up to 120 kilograms. It flies at speeds of about 70 kilometers per hour and can climb to a service ceiling of 1,000 meters. Its simplicity is its selling point. It is often classified as an ultralight aircraft, meaning in many regions, it doesn't require a traditional pilot's license. The current flight autonomy is around 30 minutes, making it ideal for short-range applications like mountain search and rescue, or just making a neighbor jealous. Its compact design means it can be stored in a standard garage. Number 7, Jetson 1, the affordable flying car. The number 5 spot goes to the Jetson 1 from Sweden, often called the Tesla of personal flying vehicles. This shows the global appetite that companies in China are now directly delivering. The Jetson 1 is an all-electric, single-seat eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle. It is remarkably light, with an empty mass of just 86 kilograms. It uses 8 electric motors for redundancy and safety. It's software limited to a top speed of 102 kilometers per hour and offers a flight autonomy of 20 minutes. Crucially, in the US, it can be flown under FAA Part 103 ultralight regulations, meaning no pilot's license is required. Just a simple, intuitive joystick. With an accessible price of $92,000, the company has already received thousands of pre-orders, signaling a massive consumer appetite for accessible personal flight. Number 4, the Star Wars motorcycle. At number 4, Russian engineers turned the Star Wars speeder bike into reality with this futuristic machine. This type of vehicle expressed the public imagination, influencing designers globally, including those in China. The S3 is an all-electric hover motorcycle that uses 4 carbon rotors for lift. It's designed to lift a payload of up to 120 kilograms with a safe flight altitude of about 5 meters, 16 feet, and a top speed limited to 96 kilometers per hour to comply with regulations. Built with a full carbon fiber monocoque frame, it's ultra lightweight and strong. It's equipped with safety features like an altitude limiting system and multi-sensor collision prevention. The Dubai police have even tested a version for patrol and rapid response, proving its serious potential beyond just a thrilling toy. Number 3, the flying race car. Number 3 is the flying race car, the birth of the first all-electric flying racing sport. Forget Formula One on the ground, the future of racing is vertical. Developed by Alauda Aeronautics in Australia, the uncrewed Mk3 is designed purely for high-speed competition. This eVTOL can reach estimated top speeds of 250 kilometers per hour and is built to perform extreme, three-dimensional aerial maneuvers. The sport features innovative rules, including mandatory pit stops to quickly swap out the high-density battery packs, which currently offer about 10 to 15 minutes of race time. This emphasis on fast battery swapping is a key area of development in China, where battery exchange technology is being evolved for electric ground vehicles and studied for future urban air mobility. Number 2, the easiest aircraft to fly. Our runner-up at number 2 is the easiest aircraft to fly from the US. This is the ultimate evolution of accessible personal flight, designed to be as easy to use as your car. The Helix is an American-made, fixed-wing, light eVTOL. Like the Jetson, it complies with FAA Part 103 ultralight regulations in the US, meaning no pilot certification is required. It has a cruising speed of 100 kilometers per hour and a range of about 32 kilometers, with a flight time of approximately 20 minutes. This push for simplified personal aviation is gaining traction, mirroring efforts in China to establish a functional, low-altitude economy. The real breakthrough is its simplicity. The control system is almost fully automated, handling stabilization, navigation, and landing, allowing new pilots to learn to operate it in less than an hour. The base price starts at $190,000, and the company has already begun U.S. customer deliveries as of mid-2024, aiming to establish the first urban air transportation infrastructure for civilians. Number 1, the traffic jam killer. And the number 1 spot goes to the traffic jam killer designed to completely eliminate your traffic problems forever. The XTI aircraft Trifan 600. This American hybrid aircraft is the perfect convergence of a helicopter, an airplane, and a private jet. The key is its unique propulsion system. 3 ducted fans. 2 on the wings rotate 90 degrees for vertical to horizontal flight transition, and 1 in the tail provides directional control. The result is a VTOL aircraft that doesn't need a runway. It can take off vertically from a helipad and then cruise like a commercial jet. It's designed to carry up to 6 passengers and a pilot, reaching a top cruise speed of 610 kilometers per hour and an altitude of 9,100 meters. Its range is spectacular, up to 2,400 kilometers. A New York to Washington, D.C. trip that takes 5 hours by car could be a 90-minute door-to-door journey with an estimated price of $6.5 million in FAA certification scheduled for the near future. This is the machine set to revolutionize corporate and commercial air taxi travel. The company has also secured an expanded utility patent for the Trifan 600's pivoting ducted fans from the China National Intellectual Property Administration. Acknowledging the significant potential of the growing low-altitude economy and eVTOL market in China,